I say? Jano. They just run up on the gun and talk beer shit. Beer shit. Kill him. Tell him again, okay? I'm not bad, I'm treble 6. From your destiny, done them will kill you quick. What? Boom. What's good, YouTube? It's a boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss. AKA the reaction boss. But you guys have been spamming this one too. I'm telling you everything when I spam me now. When I spam squeeze, I just squeeze a while ago. When I spam Kelly and one link and nothing extraordinary. When I get one to them do it today. When I get one link right now. Comment on this video to see your comment in the next video that I post. It's a marathon over here. You ready for see the video? Hold on, I'm going to chatting because I don't say comments are gone. You hear me I say? So let's say we go to the girl for credit. I drop my people. Thanks for checking out the video. I hope you guys are staying in your house. I hope you guys are staying home. You see me? Stay home and be safe. You hear me I say? Right now, I say yesterday I never post no vids. People them going crazy. They say, yo dog, what go on for it? Well, somebody comment some fuck crazy. See if you watch a video, dog, don't you ever dare do that, dog. Comment, boy. The one look at them post a Trinidad video, this bro got comment that about what? Yeah, get Liam. Yeah, to them song, yeah. Hello. Hello. Me I say try to cover the entire Caribbean. Did me I say? You did me? The people them like some do video for them Caribbean, just like we like some do video, but Trinidad them love some do video for them place to do. Come then about Buckle Bell self, man. And I first see your comment too, and some activities to people and I get dog, you did me? But guess what? Comments them done right now. Run tune! One link. Easy when I jump them, I make them back flick. Now this none of the kingdom, them a fly back quick. You hear that? A one link. No, this is the kingdom youth. Them a make your bat to a flick, back flip. Hey, go on. She never make your heart skip. Yeah. This is them a like snake for the chopstick. Yeah. 6 love and gunshot despite what you might think. Oh, God. Kill him, run out on them. Run out on them with the Draco. The brand, go on, my team was a 40, go on. One link, one link, yeah, yo, I don't. Hold on, no, don't murder the beat yet. Let me get a little water in my system before you start murder the beat. People get the blank them ready. You ready? Get the blank them ready. Right, tune. Them just run up on the ground and start. Yeah. Hold on, pause. Run back in your tune. So what run up on the one and pause. Run back in your tune. What you say? Jano. They just run up on the gun and talk beer shit. Beer shit. Kill him. Tell him again, okay? I'm not bad, I'm treble 6. From your destiny, done them will kill you quick. Claim them a tomahawk to run up on them and they get it. You hear that? You hear that? And see, just in case you don't believe what he must say. He must say for the ask Rebel 6. We come to Rebel 6. You hear that? Run tune. Real mama back, chopper left them limbless and in chest. Blood paint up his skin and me now self a fan of art. Hold on, chopper left them in what? Hold on. Chopper left them in what and like a chicken pot. What? Go on. Left them limbless and in chest. Blood paint up his skin and me now self a fan of art. 3i6 out here. Chopper left them in and they, what? What? People, if it's sang bad. If it's sang bad, drop the fire emotion right now. Run tune. Mother dead, father dead, sister dead, brother dead. Rifle Hill, Bella Road, Salt Springfield, them a ballet. Every dog be on the block, miss like. The man a blood everything. Mother, brother, sister. Your dog, your cat, your rat, your snake. The whole bomba cloth. Like welcome Brazil frets in ball and low place cause 6 pin and blood rings. It taking a boy face on a pepper. I need to say for a while ago and I want to tell you guys to stand in your house. Stand in your house. Stay home. You did me? Stand in your yard. That the Prime Minister of Jamaica just over the current. When he was quarantined, dog, Andrew was in Jamaica. Stand in your yard. Please stand in your yard. Find it funny but you're not. Stand in your yard. Run tune. Yeah. Gonzales goes them quick. You diss them today and them go. Who goes them quick, Walande? Gonzales goes them quick. You diss them today and them go and get this on a pepper spray. Let me jump back in the jeep for the getaway. Gonzales goes them quick. Man say jump back in the jeep for the getaway now. Let me say, because he don't come to the drive by, you know. Barman and anything, you know. The man say, Gonzales, do it quick. Gonzales, ghost them boy there. Quick. Run back here, now.
Get this them today and them gone kill yesterday. Ooh, gas them up.
The man said this them today. And yesterday the man them kill her. And he comes out, ooh, gas them up. Hey! Ooh.
Gas them up. Let me just spread them on a virus. Behind plus some of your
run back, you saw a virus. Go on.
Let me just spread them on a virus. Behind plus some of your strike and them virus.
Clad! And the man says spreading a virus. But it look like a coronavirus is spreading. Dog! One link. You want to win him, see the man him there, man. I can sing the money, I sing dog. And a DJ dog, the man voice, you know? No. I like your voice today. Blah. Tough voice. Listen to the man, dog. Listen to the man. Yeah, I wish I was like a performance. I'm gonna get again. I'm rub it again. Remember, I wish I was saying something, but I never go up on the stage like that. Did lit no blood clot, dog. Yo, man, I'm singing gun song them, dog. Oh, girl, shut up.
Chop off cassava, no wire. I say we gon' feed them anywhere. Rifles on them like beehive. Look out for me under the G5.
No, man, them man are too bumbuckle belt bad. The dogs, them go for them anyway. I guess what the man say again. Rifles swarm them like G5. We hear someone went bumbuckle belt man here and say, go on.
One link, enough contact like weak eye. Strain away left them feel leak pants. Stand over your body, then me press.
One link. Enough contact like weak eye. Yeah, I can bumbuckle. Boom. Drink some water, make some tea. You know they're in the yard and now. Drink some water. Go make some tea and come back and make sure they get a cold baby. Because I'm done post video today. Run tune!
79 miles, them a play cat, but them have no 9 life. Drake over squeeze like a shoes, one of my size. Me love.
You think could have 9 life? Bumbleclad! You think could have 9 life? Dogs of them a play cat. But them don't have 9 life. You think could have 9 life? Bumbleclad! Run tune!
One gunshot on the high rise. My melt the ice and bust the first shot. Coming on wait for some pussy, try take out my head back. No fright.
Boom! Right now if you're saying bad, drop the fire emoji them. And say if you watch the video right now, you don't like the video, like the video so the video get recommended to more people at Trinidad so them can turn at them yard. You see me? So like up the video. Like up the video. Smash the like button on the face. Why? Run through.
Falling up on the wall, I'm in the post that. The 1800 always strap ready if it goes fast.
Yeah.
Good luck, you're even got your hood luck. But come up.
I have to run back in that tune. Just a little bit of while I go come in here where I say. You hear me? Because right now we're not dog. Right now we're not dog. Lyrics like he cut teeth and a box of go on.
That the 1800 always strap ready if it goes fast. Push back, good luck, you're even got your hood luck. But come up on my ankle top, I shall make a swipe.
Push back, good luck. FB with that, you know what's my song? Never sang in my voice, my song. Drop it. What a girl song, dog. You know the war thing, brother. Should I spoil next reaction for you guys? Finish the tune, Derek!
I ball jump out and I jump like a bear punk. Beat up the air, 50 like a snare jump. Ooh, yeah.
Step up! You don't say something, I want to come back to the chorus.
If a little Bella road side, spring full them a box. They're not bad like you're bad quick. The raise of the sheen, them mama make it.
Alright, I don't know chopper, run back the chorus again, so people. Big up your bumbuckle well self. Thanks for checking out my video. And this the only thing I want to do on the company video them dog. Wipe on the comment argument. But just like the video, comment the fire emoji them. And just stay tuned for your next video. Cause I don't know, so we don't start post today, no. I'm out.